So we are on rescue mission, probably about 9 now. Our cat's been stuck up a huge tree for about 18 hours, all night. It's been pouring down with rain. She's soaked, tired, hungry. We've tried everything, but we just managed to find a bigger ladder, so hopefully this is going to complete the rescue mission and we can get her out, and then I don't know if I want to let her out again. She's done this too many times before. So
I don't know where
she has been all the way up the top, but she's come down overnight because obviously she's scared, and she's found a little hole. But there's a little hole just there that she's kind of living in at the moment, trying to stay dry because it is still raining a little bit. It's not kind of ideal with the
I need a hand over
barbed
there.
wire.
How are you going to do this? Ginge! Maybe she's got out and gone home. Can you imagine if she'd gone out and gone home? You ripped your jacket.
Right, in the head.
Can't see anything. Take
Brand
your coat
new.
off and go underneath.
Brand new £180 jacket.
Oh my god. Any chance to show off? Ginge! Where the hell is she gone? She gone? If she's gone after we've got this flipping ladder,
I heard her cry there. Hello? Hello?
good girl! Idiot girl! What was she doing? Was she sleeping in it?
She had a great little hiding place up there. Like a hole, I'd say it was about 2 or 3 foot deep. And she was just living in this little hole.
If only you
She's
got there last
ridiculous.
night, oh, look at
18
her.
hours. You've been up there, now you need to dry off by the fire, don't you? You silly cat.
She is so silly. Look at you, eh?
So I just started chopping some wood to get the fire started, and my axe is completely broken. So I just have to use it from here. The day just keeps getting better and better. So that's it, all my kindling's chopped up and ready to go in the fire. This is really good stuff, burns nice and quickly, really dry, and lights the coal. So better get back to the boat and get the fire on so Gingy Bear can warm up.
Oh, she's happy to be home. aren't you, baby? Giving her some dreamies, which she doesn't usually eat, but because she's, you know, very hungry, she's been eating them. We need to get that fire going so you can dry off, my darling.
Should start to warm up pretty soon, and the cat can lie down in front of it and dry off. She's licking herself dry at the moment with a random piece of wood next to her. What's this?
She wants to help build the fire. She says, as a thank you for getting me out of the tree, Theo.
Yeah, she does. She smells a poo a bit. We might need to give her a little bath.
I saw her doing a poo in the tree, so hopefully she'll just clean it off herself, because I really... Have you ever bathed the cat?
No.
It's not fun.
But yeah, that's it for this
Mini adventure.
random vlog. But you know, we thought we'd show you the real life on the boat, and this is kind of what goes down. So she seems to get stuck up trees so often, and you know, she's swam in the canal I think 5 or 6 times now, so I think that might be it. We might have to keep her in as a
Indoorsy.
boat cat. Yeah, like she won't like it, but what can we do? We can't, you know, every time we come back and she's stuck somewhere or swimming in the canal. But yeah, anyway, hopefully that's a lesson learned for her and she won't do it again. We'll give her one more chance, I think. Thanks for watching.
How you feeling, Gingy? I'm feeling smelly. Say hello to everyone.